Hello, my Taurus, Gemini, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of November 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, tellings, hang on for some more time. Shortly we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, that is 20 and 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Sorry, 30th, my bad. Really sorry. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days please for my cusp darling. Let's take this popping up. We begin with guilt. Hello. What is that overthinking all about? Success, beautiful, going with the flow, and creativity. Hello. The first 10 days are super interesting, but I think you are stressing yourself for unnecessary reasons. Now, the only shadow work, what the entire read is trying to say, the first 10 days is emotionally you guys are going to be happy. In fact, there seems to be some celebration coming up, pregnancy adoption, but I think it's more of an engagement or a proposal or collaboration, something on those lines. Okay, emotionally you guys are going to be happy. Pregnancy adoption, because we have creativity also, is trying to say stable connections are going to start up with, which will bring in success. Keep going with the flow. The only barrier you have is you have to stop overthinking, because we can see flowers and flowers. So ideally new beginnings are coming up, but I think you are stressing. So stop getting stuck or crying over spilled milk. Step out. The first 10 days are beautiful. You want whatever you want, darlings, you're going to achieve. I think you are only creating your own blocks. Avoid doing that. Now let's come to the 11 to the 20th. Let's see what are the energies trying to tell you. Okay, we've got, seems to be a pretty one strong, but let's see. We begin with sorrow, flowering, existence, a lot of feminine energies. So I think my feminines are going to be in strong power, totality, maturity. See, women. Let's see, postponement, again a woman, and breakthrough. Okay, so it's a mixed bag. Okay, the mid 10 days, lot many things. Flowering, totality, maturity is trying to say money flow is coming towards you. Okay, so you need not worry if there is something related to finance. Remember, you have a tendency to overthink. That is why it is trying to say avoid having any delays. I think your overthinking is your own block. Okay, and I think this is what the entire read is trying to say so far. Let's proceed what it's trying to say. Take that leap of faith. Okay, in short, I would say is give your 100%. Do not get bogged down as to people's judgments. The more you stay focused, the more universe will do the needful. So it's like, be honest and put in that hard work. Let karma take care of the rest. Okay, you are the magician of your life. Learn to let go. Totality and sorrow. I think there is a tendency, because you have a tendency to overthink, there will be conflicting thoughts, and maybe you might want to prove, or you're trying to find a balance, maybe because of which you feel nobody understands you. But darlings, why are you doing that? Are you trying to please somebody, or are you trying to do multitasking when you know you have enough on your plate and you want to take that something extra? Don't, is what the energies are trying to say. So ideally everything is there. You need to start putting priorities. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. We begin with inner voice, beautiful. Past lives. There's a crescent moon, okay. Participation and integration. So I think there is an imbalance within you and you are scared, maybe because of what has happened in the past is what your fear is. Follow your gut feeling, okay. Face your fears. You're not gonna die, na darling. Whatever is meant to happen will happen. In fact, you have people supporting you, which is nice, but because there is an imbalance, you fear, and that is exactly what it's trying to say. Breathe, connect with your higher self. Prayers, chanting mantras, deep breathing techniques should help you. Meditation will bring answers to what you've been seeking for, so you need not worry. In fact, I think you're just overstressing. Now let's come to your angels. Let's see what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Okay, let's take this. Ground yourself. So stay connected with Mother Earth. Again, we have flowers. So darlings, whenever you take a shower, you can add a little bit of rose water or a rose oil or lavender, whichever fragrance you like. That will help you in cleansing. You can also use floral perfumes. Stay connected to Mother Earth. Always have a down-to-earth approach whenever you're dealing with people or in generic your conversation. The tone matters, okay. This is what your angels are saying. Now let's come to your love read. Let's see. Angels and spirit guides. So many. Can I just have one or two, please? Okay, one. Can I have one more? Let's take this. We have, we've got three. We've got coffin, photograph, and girl talk. So let go of those old memories, create new memories. And when you think relationships are meant to be given a full stop, probably it's time to, evolve, okay. There are transformations coming in your life, do not worry. And yes, spending time with your friends, especially your girlfriends, because maybe that's the reason we have a lot of girls pictures coming up in the read. So maybe your girlfriends are going to be like a strong pillar of strength for you, okay. Now let's come to what universe has in store for you for this month. Wealthy man, okay. So there is genuinely somebody who is really rich, who's somebody stable, okay, who carries a lot of wisdom, probably a professional on a hierarchy post. I think that person will be of utmost support for you. This could be like a fatherly figure, your husband, your brother. If you are my masculine energy, then probably there is somebody who's coming to help you, okay. But yes, finance flows to you, and yes, success is embracing. So this person will be like knight in a shining armor, that kind of an energy is what, it's a very good positive energy that seems to be coming in. So how should I sum up this month, my love? Stop worrying, because I think you have a tendency to overthink, and that overthinking makes you fear and you start worrying, wherein the universe is trying to say there are times where you have to have faith in the universe and the divine energies and allow things to come to you. Relationships, finance, everything will come. But just because you have to prove somebody, you have a tendency to stress. And this is exactly what universe is trying to say, that darlings, you need to focus on yourself, focus on your work, and don't get bogged down by people's judgments. Stay connected with Mother Earth and have a grounded approach at the matters of heart. Growth transformations are mandatory. Make new memories, allow the old memories to go. And if you cannot, or if you're finding difficulty, you have your girl friends with whom you can get connected with. A wealthy man is approaching. Keep your eyes and ears open because this person is bringing prosperity and abundance, embracing you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.